Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Langton Street in Salford M6 to show you a new listing we've got coming up. It is a 2-bedroom terrace property. As we head inside, we go into an entrance hallway. Leads on through this tastefully decorated lounge. Separated from the dining room. And towards the rear of the property, you'll find a nice modern kitchen with a dining space as well. The property is conveniently located within walking distance of the Metrolink, with direct access into Salford Quays, Ely City and Manchester City Centre as well. It's close to local schooling and amenities, making it a really easy location for a first-time buyer or an investor. As we head up the stairs, straight on we have this 3-piece bathroom, and then you'll find 2 double bedrooms. Second just through there, and then we've got a large main bedroom. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.